Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the most dangerous spiders in the world. 1. Funnel web spiders, family Diplorida. This family of spiders in the order Aranata are named for their funnel-shaped webs, which open wide at the mouth of the tube. The spider sits in the narrow funnel waiting for prey to contact the web. When this happens, the spider rushes out and captures the insect prey at the funnel's mouth. The most important genera are Aethagris, Brachytheo, and Microhexera in North America, Trichona in South America, and the poisonous members of the Atrax genus in Australia. The species Atrax robustus and A. formidabilis are large, brown, bulky spiders that are much feared in southern and eastern Australia because of their venomous bites. Several human deaths from the bites of these aggressive spiders have been recorded in the Sydney area since the 1920s. An antidote to the main toxin in their venom has been developed, which is effective if administered to victims soon after they have been bitten. 2. Redback spider, Latrodectus icelti. The redback is another cousin of the black widow L. mactans. However, this species is not as widespread. It is native to Australia, but it has spread to New Zealand, Belgium, and Japan through grape exports. The spider often builds nests and webs on grape leaves and inside bunches. The species is widespread throughout Australia, living in all of the continent's varied environments, except for its hottest deserts and frigid mountaintops. The species is also found in urban areas, frequently making nests in human dwellings. The redback is identified by its prominent red stripe, or hourglass-shaped mark, on its black-colored back. This mark is more noticeable on female redbacks than on males. 3. Red widow spider, Latrodectus bishopi. The third widow spider on this list is the red widow, or red-legged widow. The spider's appearance is distinguished from other widow spiders by its reddish cephalothorax and legs and its reddish-brown to black-colored abdomen. Many red widows have a red mark on the underside of the abdomen, which may be either hourglass-shaped, triangle-shaped, or indistinct. The top of the abdomen is spotted red or orange, with each spot surrounded by a yellow or white outline. The leg span of an adult female is 1.5 to 2 inches, whereas the male is only about 1/3 of that size. Currently, red widow spiders inhabit palmetto-dominated scrublands in central and southern Florida. However, some experts believe that this range may be expanding. The spider feeds on insects, and it is not considered to be aggressive toward people. 4. Brown widow spider, Latrodectus geometricus. The brown widow is thought to have evolved in Africa, but the first specimen described came from South America. It is classified as an invasive species elsewhere around the world. Brown widow populations have appeared in Southern California, the Caribbean, the U.S. states of the Gulf Coast, as well as in Japan, South Africa and Madagascar, Australia, and Cyprus. The species makes its home in buildings, inside old tires, and under automobiles, as well as among shrubs and other vegetation. The spider has a brownish appearance that ranges from tan to almost black. The abdomens of some specimens have ornate dark brown, black, white, yellow, or orange markings. Unlike other members of the genus, the hourglass marking on the underside of the brown widow is orange. 5. Black widow spider, Latrodectus mactans. The black widow is responsible for more than 2,500 visits to poison control centers every year in the U.S. It is one species that can be found from the United States and parts of Canada through Latin America and the West Indies. The most common member of Latrodectus in North America, it makes its home in a variety of settings, such as woodpiles, burrows, or among plants that serve as supports for its web. The female is shiny black and usually has a reddish to yellow hourglass design on the underside of the spherical abdomen. Sometimes 2 small triangles, instead of a complete hourglass, are present. The body is about 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch, long. The male, seldom seen because it is often killed and eaten by the female after mating, hence the spider's name, is about 1/4 the size of the female. In addition to the hourglass design, the male often has pairs of red and white stripes on the sides of the abdomen. 6. Wolf spider, family Lycosidae. Wolf spiders belong to the family Lycosidae, a large and widespread group that is found throughout the world. They are named for their wolf-like habit of chasing and pouncing upon prey. About 125 species occur in North America, whereas there are about 50 in Europe. Numerous species occur north of the Arctic Circle. Most are small to medium-sized. The largest has a body about 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch, long and legs about the same length. Most wolf spiders are dark brown, and their hairy bodies are long and broad, with stout, long legs. They are noted for their running speed and commonly occur in grass or under stones, logs, or leaf litter, though they may invade human dwellings that harbor insects. Most species build silk-lined, tubular nests in the ground. Some conceal the entrance with rubbish, whereas others build a turret-like structure above it. A few species spin webs. Wolf spider eggs are contained in a gray silk sac attached to the female spinnerets, or silk-producing organs, so that she appears to be dragging a large ball. After hatching, the young spiders ride on the mother's back for several days. 7. Yellow sac spider, Cheracanthium inclusum. Yellow sac spiders are clubionids, a family of spiders, order Aranata, that range in body length from 3 to 15 millimeters, about 0.12 to 0.6 inch, and build silken tubes under stones, in leaves, or in grass. Cheracanthium inclusum, found throughout the United States, as well as in Mexico southward through South America, is venomous to humans and is often found indoors. The spider's venom is a cytotoxin, a substance that destroys a cell or impairs its function, that can produce necrotizing lesions, but such lesions occur rarely in bite victims. Still, redness and swelling at the site of the bite are common reactions. Yellow sac spiders are not docile creatures. A female yellow sac spider, for example, may bite when defending her eggs. 8. Brazilian wandering spiders, Phoneutria fera and P. nigraventer. These species are sometimes also referred to as banana spiders because they are frequently found on banana leaves. They have an aggressive defense posture, in which they raise their front legs straight up into the air. Phoneutria are poisonous to humans, and they are considered to be the deadliest of all the world's spiders. Their venom is toxic to the nervous system, causing symptoms such as salivation, irregular heartbeat, and prolonged painful erections, priapism, in men. Scientists are investigating the venom of P. nigraventer as a possible treatment for erectile dysfunction. In late 2013, a family in London, England, had to move out of their home so it could be fumigated because it became infested with tiny Brazilian wandering spiders. An egg sac deposited in a banana bunch was shipped to the family's local grocery store. 9. Brown recluse spider, Loxosceles reclusa. The brown recluse spider is one of the most dangerous spiders in the United States. Its venom destroys the walls of blood vessels near the site of the bite, sometimes causing a large skin ulcer. Research in 2013 revealed that a protein in the spider's venom targets phospholipid molecules, which make up a good portion of cell membranes, and transforms these molecules into simpler lipids. The wound that is produced may require several months to heal, or it may become infected, which could lead to the death of the victim. Deaths from brown recluse spider bites are rare. Thanks for watching.